Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to relog in Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app. If you've previously used the app, you'll see an option to create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. Choose I already have a wallet. This will lead you to the next step, where you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read these thoroughly before proceeding to ensure you understand the conditions. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This is crucial for restoring your wallet. Carefully type in your 12-word or 24-word phrase, ensuring each word is spelled correctly and in the right order. Any mistake will prevent access. After successfully entering your phrase, you'll set up a new passcode for daily access. Choose a strong, unique combination of numbers for maximum security. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. It's the master key to your funds, so never share it with anyone, even if they claim to be Trust Wallet support. Write it down and store it in a safe, offline place, like a fireproof safe. Avoid digital copies that could be vulnerable to hacks. For added convenience and security, enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or Face ID, to quickly access your wallet without typing your passcode every time. If you encounter issues relogging in, first, meticulously recheck your recovery phrase for any errors. A single typo can prevent access. Also, ensure your Trust Wallet application is updated to its latest version, as older versions might have bugs or compatibility issues. Sometimes, a simple app restart can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.